Okay, very good morning all of you, and this is Dipesh Joshi in front of you. Today I am here to articulate my topic in the very nice topic, that horror story. Yeah guys, when I speak horror story, just one thing came in your mind, the ghost and witches. But now we have to take it in a different manner. There is so many ghosts in our world, which is not a paranormal power, but it is really a ghost which is the making us scary day by day and the daily basis. What is the scary? That fear, and it is called the also fever, because whenever we are getting fear, we are just running, keep running and keep running. So guys, students have fear of the results, and singer and the dancer have fear of the audience, and the speaker have fear of the stage. So I think, what is the definition of fear? Fear definition is nothing, just fear is nothing. Fear is just a thing that is a lack of confidence. Where there is a lack of confidence, there is fear. Suppose that guys, if you are 50% positivity, if you have 50% confidence, at that time there is a space of 50% risk or fear. So guys, if you are 99% positive and if you are 99% have confidence, then at that time also the 1% is also fear. And after that you have to just calculate yourself and dependent that in which things you have to take over. Means it's totally depend on that the fear is take over on the confidence, or the confidence take over by the fears. So guys, nowadays the fear is really a thing, and which is make us scary day by day. We are running, but stop running now. We have to do something. I just give a simple example of Swami Vivekananda. In the childhood of Swami Vivekananda, they are just crossing the bridge, and at that time there is so many monkeys who are just pinching to Swami Vivekananda, and again basis. And after this, Swami Vivekananda start running from it. After at that time that there is a persons who are coming in front of Swami Vivekananda sir. At that time that person said to Swami Vivekananda that stop running, Swami Vivekananda. You have to face it, because nowadays we are just running because of fears. And after that, when the Swami Vivekananda said that just take a look on the behind and said that who, at that time that whole monkeys kept running. And that's why, and what we have to do, we have so many fears and each and every one, but after that we have to just look into the eyes of the fears and tell that who the hell are you to make us scary. We are there, we having a confidence, and we are the positive thinkers. And just look what I am doing, and just get ready for the results. Thank you so much guys for watching.